most people, the most important aspect of their house is their sofa, so they spend a lot of time relaxing on it. As a result, the sofa set, or a wooden sofa set, has gained much importance as one of the essential furniture items in the home. Previously, the sofa set was a very simple thing, consisting of just the sofa and the coffee table. But now, sofa sets are usually a sofa table, a coffee table, and a matching armchair. And then, there are also different sofa designs and shapes, which are often complemented by matching end tables and lamps. Your living room is the focal point of your home, and a stylish wooden sofa set should be the main feature of that space. So, whether you're hosting friends or watching TV with your family, your wooden sofa is the star of the show. Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you modern wooden sofa set design ideas for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. A sofa set is a group of 3 pieces of furniture that are meant to be used together. These pieces of furniture are the sofa table, and the coffee table. In contrast to the conventional furniture set, the sofa set is not only designed to sit on it but is also designed to be used for various purposes. That's why it's referred to as a sofa set. Wooden sofas have made their mark for themselves in recent times. With sofas made of this material, you can be sure that you are getting a sofa made from real wood. They're especially renowned for their durability and comfort. The fact that they are made of wood is not the only thing that makes them different from other sofas. They are also known for their ability to keep you cool. Thanks to that, they can easily absorb heat and moisture. It's a simple fact that there are various wooden sofa sets. You will be able to select the kind of sofa sets you want according to the requirements of your living room and can have wood sofa sets with a simple design, contemporary design, traditional design, etc. You can select the kind of wood for the sofa sets. If you want to have a beautiful sofa set, you can choose the type of wood with a dark and rich color. If you want to have a contemporary wooden sofa set, then you can choose the type of wood with a light and bright color. Wooden sofa sets are quite a classic choice. These sets are so beautiful and come in various styles. These are being constructed with extreme concern and emphasis on details from the highest quality wood. Here are some features and benefits of wooden sofa sets that you should know. Unique and beautiful designs. The sofa sets are available in various designs. The designs are unique, and the colors are very vibrant. The patterns are distinct and have a stunning appearance. Low maintenance. The wooden sofa sets are quite easy to maintain. Versatile. The wooden sofa sets are versatile. This is important because you can use them in various ways. The designs and the colors are very vibrant. Durable. They are durable but could be utilized for a longer duration without exhibiting any signs of damage. We can use natural materials, such as wood, bamboo, and rattan. This is a sustainable way of manufacturing wooden sofa sets. Wood. Wood is known as the greatest construction material for making sofa sets. The quality of the wooden sofa set results from the quality of the wood used in its manufacturing. Rattan. Rattan is a strong and durable material that can withstand extreme weather conditions. It is also easy to clean. Bamboo is a light material that can be easily cut and molded. It is also easy to clean. Wooden sofa sets are the best option for any living room, as they give you a very rustic and warm feel. They're the ultimate mixture of convenience and elegance. However, there are a few things to consider before purchasing one. And the type of wood you use, the style, and the size are the most important factors in buying a wooden sofa set. However, you have to understand how to purchase one. Before you go shopping for a wooden sofa set, you should know the following things. 1. The size of the sofa set. The size of the sofa set you buy will depend on the size of your living room. If your living room is huge, you'll need a bigger sofa set. Indeed, if you have a smaller living room, you will need a smaller sofa set. 2. The sofa set's design. Your tastes would choose the design of the sofa set. You can choose a traditional, contemporary, modern, or classic style. 3. The sofa set's color combination. Your personal choices determine the color of your sofa set. You can go with a light or dark color or a color that complements the other furnishings. 4. The price of the sofa set. The price of the sofa set will depend on the style and the size of the sofa set. And meanwhile, the cost of the sofa set will be influenced by the materials used in the construction. In general, sofa sets come in a wide range of sizes, colors, and patterns. You can choose a sofa set that will match the decor of your home or one that will make a statement. Regardless of the style you choose, there are some things you need to consider when purchasing a wooden sofa set. If you're seeking a classic sofa set, opt for one with a classic style. These sets are generally large and can accommodate up to 8 people. They are made from a combination of wood and leather, and they come in a variety of styles and colors. If you are looking for a more modern design, consider a sofa set that has a sleek, modern look. These sets are smaller than traditional sofa sets and are made from leather and metal. The best wooden sofa sets have a natural look and feel. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of modern wooden sofa set design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your next design from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel and smashes the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more contents. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you have not already. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and blessed.